Welcome to BayCoast Bank's mobile app. In this quick guide, we'll show you how to use card controls so you can easily turn your card on or off. Let's dive in and make managing your card simple and secure. On your app home screen, the navigation bar is located at the bottom. It allows easy access to features and sections with a tap, like the card controls feature. To access card controls, tap the More icon, the three horizontal lines. The More screen offers a variety of options, including card controls, money management, and easy money transfers. Tap on Card Controls on the More screen to access the card control features. In the newly opened Card Controls section, you can view your cards, check recent transactions, and toggle your card on or off. To turn off the card, simply tap on the dial button to the right of your card status. Your card is now turned off. To turn your card back on, simply tap the dial button again. That's it! Now you know how to take control of your card anytime, anywhere with the BayCoast Bank Mobile App. If you haven't already, download the app and start managing your card with confidence today. Thanks for watching!